Guys, we're back in the rental. So if you've been watching the other videos, you know what's been going on, but if you haven't, right now we're in one of my rental properties that I've been renovating for the last few days. The goal is to have it done in the next day or two. So we ripped out all the flooring. It was this awful pink laminate. Put down this nice oak. And right now, finishing up the countertop. There's a few blemishes that I just want to fix. This is just from the extension cord rubbing it when it was wet. And right here, just if you can see, it's not perfect. So I'm gonna put one more coat right there and hopefully it's not noticeable. But before I do any work on the cabinets after I finish this, I want to put some new shelving kind of skin over it. So I'm going to use the flooring, the same product I use for the flooring for the interior of the cabinet, because it's this awful like paper. So I think that'll look nicer. And I'm going to paint the cabinets and drawers. Got these over here. And again, these have that same awful kind of film paper over it. So I ripped that out. It was pretty dingy. I'm going to paint the insides white. And then the front face, I like a nice charcoal color. So, gotta do a little bit of prep work. And again, a lot of this is time-lapse footage. So if you're looking for editorial kind of tips and tricks, sorry, I'm not gonna bust into too many, but leave a comment if you got a question and I'll answer it for you. Otherwise, enjoy the time-lapse. See you guys. Now, it would be a lot easier to spray these, but it's still pretty cold out. It's like 30 degrees out, and the best area to spray it would be the garage because I don't want bugs getting on it. I mean, although it's cold out, so there's not that many bugs, but wind debris, stuff like that. So you want it in an enclosed space, not in the house. So garage is the best pick, but the garage is still around 35, 38, which is just a little bit too cold to be painting and get a good finish. So I'm just gonna paint it inside and use a roller rather than spray these. Shouldn't be too big of a problem. While the drawers are drying, I'm going to continue working on the bathroom. As mentioned, it doesn't exactly have a uniform coat going on at the moment, so I'm going to start back here and move forward. The shower area probably just needs one more coat. I mean, a few touch-up areas around the fixtures and stuff like that, and around the edges. But the midsection of it has a pretty uniform look. But around the sink, again, we kind of got some color popping through from the tile, and obviously haven't started working on the floor yet because that'll be the last step for the bathroom. Yeah, it's coming together. Just another coat, or probably two coats. Yeah, probably two more coats in here, and yeah, sounds good. Cool. Again, if you got any questions, leave a comment. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks. See ya.